Hello students, we are studying the lesson 1.6 Grandpa Tells a Story. Today we will learn about nouns. Noun is the name of person, place, thing or an animal. पदार्थ, वस्तू, व्यक्ती, ठिकाण व एखाद्या प्राण्याचे नाव इत्यादीच्या नावास नाम असे म्हणतात. Some words are given here. I am going to read these words. Camel, jackal, water, village, farm, field, time, trick, treat, habit, happiness, grandpa, friends, farmer, helpers, Radhika, stick, sugarcane. We have to put these words in the proper row in the given table. And we have to add 2 more words to each row in the table. First row, people, grandpa, friends, farmer, helpers, Radhika, police, actor. Second row, animals, camel, jackal, boar, snake. Third row, places, village, farm, field, temple, city. Things we can feel, see, etc. Water, stick, sugarcane, tree, rice. Things we cannot touch, see, etc. Time, trick, treat, habit, happiness, air, mind. The words in the table above are together known as nouns in English. Now next, sentence board. Using words in the neighboring boxes, we have to try to make meaningful sentences. For example, they jumped down. Has she solved puzzles? You can do it. We have to write any 5 of sentences we make. Sentences. They read books. I have solved puzzles. Has it flew away? I will wake up. You have tried hard. Now, the words in the second column of the sentence board are called pronouns. These are they, I, it, you, he, she, we. They are used when we know what nouns we are talking about. नामाऐवजी वापरल्या जाणाऱ्या शब्दांना सर्वनाम असे म्हणतात. Now, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are English pronouns. We have to write equivalent pronouns in our mother tongue against each of the English pronouns. I, me, we, आम्ही, you, तू किंवा तुम्ही, he, तो, she, ती, it, ते, they, ते त्या ती. अशा प्रकारे हे इंग्लिशमधले प्रोनाउन्स म्हणजे सर्वनाम आणि त्याला आपल्या मराठी भाषेमध्ये काय म्हणतात त्याला समानार्थी सर्वनामे मराठी भाषेतली मी तुम्हाला सांगितली.